Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Pynroi ai bet por ku presibun Sanbor ki kam Pynroi ai bet por Thap silang ro
Unong mi khmat kasot shalong Konstitwensi ubak Sanbor Shullai hagasi sajan ka arp hautere gubernai jemang 8,000 arpulai ula pelat ba ka mang tingka nakamta ka Skhim Pynroi kabalong khat Klur punyo lak riu puwe hajar lai spa tingka nakamta ka Konstitwensi kabalamang hapo ka Urban Smart City SUWP and PWD roads SPA schemes 8,000 arpulai ya ketika song pisal pelat ba ka jingelang kabalong hasam club lawan shalong Haringkat kejing don lang kirang bak senang ki sengken thai ki komiti beper pada ketika sengi kala don ru kejing pen kop buram ki nong senchar senang kirang bak senang mat kiwe haba ajing kran ketika sengi bak Sanbor Shullai loong ba ketika Skhim ke Skhim ke baning kong ke baula pelat hadin kejing yu ajing job jong u kum unomik mat ketika konstituensi bor loong ba ketika Skhim lamang nang benta ki dor bak senang beper ki bahap hapo ke konstituensi Shosho ubak Sanbor loong bagiti ki Skhim ki kentup ya kejing pen internet ya kesnong kejing bu iki boarding light hagi dong beper kejing pendat iki CCTV kamera kejing pen bhai ki surok bat ki we ki kam Pynroi
Baru Martin, who is the General Secretary of the Manalapan and also the Assistant Commissioner of Excise Government of Meghalaya. Bablu is the ex-ambassador of Globally and also permanent citizen and also a virtual contractor, beauty contractor. Next is Madam General Secretary of
Prepared before the election, and a total amount of the civil works is 12,27,51,300, and recently again we have got sanction. This detail of the scheme, we have got sanction for this smart city scheme, both in municipal and cantonment area, amounting to rupees 4 crore. This is for installation of VMD, ECV, PAS, ITMS. I'll come to it later, and there will be more scheme because my plus point, your plus point is just because you are very, very wise to elect Sanbor from the BJP. That's why, through the help of our union minister from Delhi, we are getting the scheme. Straight recommendation has been given. That is the beauty of the BJP. You are very wise. I must congratulate and appreciate the wise voters of 19th South Shillong Constituency that you have elected me from the BJP, the party who is ruling in Delhi. That's why you are getting all this scheme. And more scheme is coming from the central scheme, which we are going to launch like this from time to time, very soon. More, yes. That Lupari also, hospital, very soon we are going to inaugurate, to lay the foundation soon. That will be later. So this scheme, this is under smart city. Under smart city scheme amounting to rupees 5 crore. These are the renovation, beautification and repairing of drainage system within 19th South Shillong with the aqueduct system. You have seen? Then we will come to the second phase. I must second phase later. So before I read close by close all the scheme, this will be the last item. So I would like to express my sincere thanks to all our brother and sister, the team. This will be the last item. So I would like to express my sincere thanks to all our brother and sister, the ground force. Without them, I think all this scheme will not be materialized. That is the ground force, I mean right from the CEO, Chief Executive Officer of the Shillong Municipal Board, the Chief Engineer, the Assistant Chief Engineer is here by Eddie, by Prang Shooting, and all their team, who have devoted their time, their physically, mentally, physically, and even financially they have to spend from their pocket for POL, for T, when they go along with the Rangba Shnong and his Dorbar for inspection, for survey. Thank you so much. Dorbar Shnong also, thank you so much. I must congratulate the Rangba Shnong and all the Rangba Shnong who have given the cooperation to the various departments. The WD department, from the executive engineer, the assistant executive engineer, the JE, and all the Dorbar Shnong who have given their cooperation to survey, to do the measurement, to prepare the DPR for various roads which we have got sanctioned recently. The first phase has been installed, as we have seen. So this is the second phase for 100 numbers of LED street light, where we are going to earmark to distribute to all the Dorbar Shnong, including village council. We will try to install in the by-lane, the isolated place where the anti-social elements, without, in absence of street lights, they are taking advantage in using drugs, taking ganja, and they are drinking beer, drinking liquor, and start, frightening the pedestrian. So you kindly see in this place, like in Harisabha, that area, that road from Dr. Amit resident touching the last stop Ling Road, that area. Then this Bamun Lingdo Lane, there we have to concentrate. Like this, you have to see, not in the main road. So we will sit before I give you the order. How many each Dorbar Shnong I'm going to hand over the order. So we will sit with the Dorbar Shnong, the village council. Brother and sister from the Laban Muslim Governistan Committee, we will not forget that you have given us, because you love Sanbor. When I become the MLA, I could, just because you love me, we are born and brought up. All the office bearers of the Laban Governistan Committee are brother who are born and brought up together in Laban. We played together, we grown up together, we study in the same school, in the Laban President School, and we pass our matriculation also from this school. So that's why they love me, that they feel very close with me. The Laban Governistan Committee, they have approved, and it has been finally approved by the Shillong Muslim Union for issuing the NOC, and also the Senghasi Rai Laban, who have given their land free of cost by giving the NOC. I remember that time late Khaddu Karngor, who was the then president of the Senghasi Rai Laban, who is no more with us, and other members who have given us the NOC, where we have worked so hard with your cooperation, with the hard work of the members of the PLUD, the engineer, the technical wing of the PLUD. So we could have, so we have got the sanction accordingly, and this is the long aspiration of the people of not only Lumparing, but of the greater Laban as a whole. They have tried, I'm told, as per the record, the proceeding of the Dorbar Shnong, they have tried more than 40 years to get this ring road via Muslim graveyard and the Senghasi graveyard. But at the end of the day, some of the Rangba Shnong during the report, they said, government come and go, MLA come and go, but nobody can do it. But at last, the Jogu could do it. Where VMD and CCTV camera will be installed in a strategic location, which we have inspected along with the official of the police department, the Department of Information Technology and Communication Department, along with the door marshal. So the VMD, the variable messaging display with smart pole. Then we are going to install ECB, emergency cell button. So we are going to install PAS, public address system, and ITMS, integrated traffic management system. So this will help us a lot to detect those criminals, the antisocial people, the criminals who create law and order in every locality. This is the beginning. And the location in this strategic area identified and recommended by the police intelligence department. One will be in Red Cross, one will be in Yoda, Laban Bazaar, one will be in Laban police station, one will be in Last Bus Stop Junction, main junction, one will be in Oxford Hill taxi stand, Bishnupur Market, Lung Shatsi, Dadan Bishnupur Market, with the whole name now, the Lung Shatsi Market, Kenchesris to the Lausutun Junction, that is also very important places which we have identified. Junction ahead of Shillong Time, that is also very important, and Harrison Bridge. Then in containment area, the main entrance of Jalupara, Dhobitala 1. Then we will have main Jalupara taxi stand. Then we will have there near Norbu building 1. And we will be having one in the main gate of Paltan Bazaar. This will be the first phase. So let us work together. We are waiting for the second phase, and no more scheme will be coming through the blessing of Narendra Modi and the BJP.